Hi and welcome my food loving viewers. Today we are going to make this most amazing Italian style lasagna, of course the Olsen way. Maybe it's not easy peasy, but it will be epic in taste. Let me guide you through this edition of the Lasagna Secrets and show you how to make it step by step, from making the pasta sheets to the bechamel sauce. Hope you'll enjoy it. I know I will.
Start by making the dough for the lasagna sheet. For this I'm going to use 400 grams of flours, 1 egg per 100 gram of flour, so 4 eggs. Mix the flour and the eggs together until it's firm and smooth, and then wrap it and put it into the fridge. To prepare the meat sauce, we're going to use 2 large cloves of garlic, 3/4 large red onion, and a generous tablespoon of olive oil. Saute the onion and the garlic in the oil, then add a generous tablespoon of tomato paste and saute it with the onion for a couple of minutes. Add the finely chopped vegetables. I've used 1 beetroot, 3 medium-sized carrots, half parsnip, and a handful of sliced celeries. Brown about a kilo of ground beef and add that to the pot with the vegetable. I've chosen to chop my own beef and mix it with 250 grams of homemade bacon. Add the meat to the vegetable and make sure to give it a good stir to mix it all together. After it's all been mixed together well, I'm going to add approximately 1 liter of broth. You can see a link in the description on how to make broth. And I'm going to add 2 jars of tomato passata, also homemade. Also a link in the description on how to make it. Then we're going to add some bay leaves, just to give a deeper and rich flavor to the sauce. And the good thing is, open a bottle of wine, a good wine, the one that you think you're going to drink while eating the lasagna, and pour in approximately a glass of wine into the meat sauce. Now it's time to make the pasta sheets, so run your pasta through the pasta machine, and to make the sheets thin and unisize. For the bechamel sauce, melt 200 grams of butter in a pot. Once melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix well. Let it cook for about 60 seconds to remove the flour taste. Gradually add about half a liter of milk while stirring it constantly to prevent it burning. Once you achieve the desired consistency, turn off the heat, add pepper, nutmeg, and a generous amount of parmesan. And now it's ready to assemble the lasagna. Add some of the meat sauce to the bottom of the pan and then put over the lasagna sheet. Put on meat sauce and then your bechamel sauce and put on a new layer of lasagna sheet. Continue this way until you run out of meat sauce, and then you're going to top off the lasagna with the rest of the bechamel sauce. Place the lasagna in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then add grated cheese on the top and bake it an additional 10 minutes. After baking, remove the lasagna from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes. Be careful, it's very, very hot. And now you're ready to enjoy the most fantastic lasagna you've ever tasted. Enjoy your meal and thanks for watching.